their parents
Yes.
don't agree.
And Miss Kaur, the thing is, let me bring in Tahira Hassan as well into the conversation. Tahira Hassan, the thing is, this is not the first case where a wife would have killed her husband in India. Certainly not the first case. I know of many instances where women have been pushed to take those kind of steps and have committed heinous murders, but they've all been in situations of extreme domestic distress or domestic violence. So that's one aspect of it. But in the recent past itself, starting with the Atul Subhash case, where the laws were completely against him and he was pushed to take his life because he was completely harassed by the wife and her family. Then came out the Meerut case, where the Merchant Navy officer Saurabh Rajput was killed by his wife and her lover, and they mutilated his body and put it in a drum. And now you have the Raja Raghuvanshi case, where he's taken all the way to Shillong on a honeymoon, and the wife's lover and contract killers allegedly follow him there, murder him, and leave his body dead in a gorge. The thing is, Tahira Hassan, my question to you is, what is it that we need to do to act now? Because these are dramatic developments to be taking place in a society, and this could be a very big setback for society as a whole. We may be looking at it from an individual case in point or perspective, but more and more people today are then coming and questioning the entire institution of marriage. They're questioning why women should have the rights that they do. So it's important for us on a societal level, Tahira Hassan, is it not, to really intervene
Yes,
at this juncture and understand why are women who are under no pressure per se to get married are committing heinous crimes.
very true. But one thing I want to say, it always say, that don't judge all the women by action of few women. Still, the women are beaten within the four walls. Today, we are not going to discuss this. They are facing domestic violence. NCRB data is telling it very clearly, stating it. So it is not like that. You judge all, or we judge all the men. Other day we were discussing on your channel the minor girl, 9-year-old girl had been raped in Delhi, capital of the country. But it does not mean that all the men are rapists. We color all the men with same color and the same brush. It is not like that. It is true that we must stand with the victim, and we must raise our voice against the criminals. Here, what happens that according to the Meghalaya police, now the case is under investigations right now. Let the forensic scientific evidences come, that will decide. We trust our institutions. I trust at least my institutions. We can raise voice if there is something a little bit wrong. We can raise our voice. It is a democratic country, but it is not like that. We don't believe in our institution. All are rubbish. It can't be said, and I don't believe into it. Second thing I want to say that according to Meghalaya police, this murder conspiracy was hatched by the Sonam wife. Right now, it is a theory, the version which we are seeing, and most of the booking of honeymoon was done by the wife, and she booked the ticket, but not the return ticket. This is the one of the clue that why it has been done. But second version is she is saying that also came in through the media. We have come to know that she said she had been abducted and then abandoned on some of the dhaba. She was there. So now the investigation has to take its course, proper course. Let the investigating agency decide. But right now, from the naked eye, we can say very clearly, Sonam is culprit. She is the one who has this whole conspiracy. Right now, after seeing these reports, I am saying, the final will come after the investigating agencies will give the final report and the final result. But right now, it seems that she is involved in the murder. And the
Right.
accused who have been arrested, they also said that they had been hired by the Sonam. But thing is this, if the girl, parents should not pressure their daughter to get married. This is what I'm saying again and again. Let them decide their life. They are adult, they can vote and can decide the future of the country. Why not their partner
Yes,
also?
but that's what
And
Tahira Hassan.
second thing, let me complete, Devika. This girl is also bold enough. She can do all the booking and everything. Why she did not object? She was not interested because she led this innocent man from honeymoon to grave. You know, this is very shocking incident. I'm saying it's not a question of men and women. This is a question that criminal minded, this selfishness. This is a question that
Yes.
she had this whole conspiracy. Shameful
No,
for the
that's
men
what.
and women, both, whoever is involved. You have taken the life of one innocent man. Think about the family. Think about the Raja Raghuvanshi's mother. Think about the brother. I mean, what you have done? You
That's what.
just
That's
took
what
the
Tahira
one
Hassan. That's what
life